Points on maintenance. Answer number 108. What is the proper way to wash the car? Always use cold or lukewarm water, never hot water. If a hose is used, don't turn on the water at full force, as this drives the dirt into the varnish and injures the finish. After the surplus mud and grime have been washed off, take a sponge and clean the body and running gear with a tepid solution of water and ivory or linseed oil soap. Rinse off with cold water, then rub dry and polish the body with a chamois skin. A body or furniture polish of good quality may be used to add luster to the car. Grease on the running gear may be removed with a gasoline-soaked sponge or rag. The nickeled parts may be polished with any good metal polish. Answer number 109. What care does top need? When putting the top down, be careful in folding to see that the fabric is not pinched between the bow spacers, as they will chafe a hole through the top very quickly. Applying a good top dressing will greatly improve the appearance of an old top. Answer number 110. What should be done when the car is stored? Drain the water from the radiator, and then put in about a quart of denatured alcohol to prevent freezing of any water that may possibly remain. Remove cylinder head and clean out any carbon deposits in combustion chamber. Draw off all the gasoline. Drain the dirty oil from the crankcase and cleanse the engine with kerosene as directed in answer number 101. Refill the crankcase with fresh oil and revolve the engine enough to cover the different parts with oil. Remove the tires and store them away. Wash up the car and, if possible, cover the body with a sheet of muslin to protect the finish. Answer number 111. What attention do the electric headlights require? Very little. When the cars leave our factory, the lamps are properly focused, and unless the bulb burns out, there should be no occasion for removing the door, as there is nothing to get out of order. Should the door be removed for any reason, care should be exercised not to touch the silver-plated reflector, or the bulb with anything but a soft, clean rag, preferably flannel. To focus the lamps, turn the adjusting screw in the back of lamp in either direction until the desired focus is attained.